How to earn bonus coins in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main screen or game lobby, look out for any ongoing events, daily check-in rewards, or promotional banners. These often include limited time offers where you can earn bonus coins just for logging in or completing simple tasks. Another way to get bonus coins is by spinning the daily reward wheel or participating in lucky draws if available in the version of your game. Some games inside Fire Kirin also offer bonus rounds or multipliers, so keep an eye on special symbols or fish types that trigger extra rewards. Lastly, referring friends or sharing the game link might also earn you bonus coins, depending on the promotional offers running at a time. Now you know how to earn bonus coins in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.